In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Excel. We will walk through each click together, so even if you are brand new to Excel, you can follow along and end up with a file that only opens with your password. First, open your Excel file. If Excel is already open, switch to the workbook you want to protect. Take a second to confirm you are in the correct file by glancing at the sheet contents and the file name on the top bar. Locking the wrong workbook is a common beginner mistake, so double-check that this is the one you actually want to secure. Once the correct workbook is open, click File. You will find File in the top left corner of the Excel window. When you click it, Excel switches to the Backstage view, and the usual grid of cells disappears. Instead, you will see a column of options on the left, like Home, New, Open and Save, all arranged in a vertical list. From this Backstage view, click Info in that left column. After you click Info, the main area on the right updates. You will see details about the workbook, such as the file size and who last modified it. Near the top, you will also see a section that includes permission and protection options for the current file. Now click Protect Workbook. This sits in the Info area, usually near the top center. When you click Protect Workbook, a menu appears directly below or beside it. This menu contains several protection choices. It is easy to accidentally hover away and close the menu, so keep your mouse still while you move to the option you need. From the Protect Workbook menu, select Encrypt with Password. When you select this, Excel opens a small dialog box in the middle of the screen. The box has a single field labeled Password. Encrypt with Password means Excel will require this password every time someone tries to open the file, and there is no way to recover it if it is forgotten. Next, enter your password in the box. Choose something you can remember but others will not guess easily. As you type, you will only see dots instead of the characters. Excel never shows the actual password, so check your typing carefully before moving on. If you rely on a password manager, this is a good time to copy a unique password from there. After typing the password, click OK. As soon as you click OK, the dialog box closes for a moment, then immediately reappears with the same password field. This second box is not an error. It is Excel asking you to confirm that you typed the password correctly. Enter the password again to confirm. Make sure it exactly matches what you typed the first time. If there is any difference, Excel will show a message and you will need to repeat the encrypt step. When both entries match, Excel accepts the password silently and the dialog box disappears, leaving you back on the info screen. Finally, save the file. You can click the Save icon or use your usual save method. Once the save finishes, the protection is stored in the file, and the next time you or anyone else opens it, Excel will ask for that password before showing any data. You have now locked your Excel workbook so it only opens with your password, protecting everything inside that file. If this helped you secure your sheet, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick Excel tips like this.